Okay, seeing as I have the Nozzle SSP5 here for a little while longer, I'll just do a breakdown of the upper and that, how to get the barrel out, how to remove the bucking, the slide, the barrel and the guide rod. I'll just show you that. Alright, first off, cock it back to find the groove for the slide catch. It's a small little tiny groove in there, so it takes a bit of time trying to get it right. There we go. Right, that's that bit. Pull that forward. Now you can take this bottom piece off to pull her out if you want. It's kind of a bit easier, but alright, that's that piece. There's your lower. Now I'm not going to take apart the lower. That'll just take too much time. I'm just going to do the upper. Right, if you undo these two here. Now this is a T8, Torx 8. This will work for this and these two here as well. Lift that off, unscrew these. Now you don't have to do the this one all the way out. This is for your adjusting your hop, your TDC. Just enough to take the hop off, so you're not going to destroy your bucking and anything like that. Now you can just pull this lot out. Just like that. There's your knob. Sits right in this square slot here. Right, for this rail part, this white sleeve plastic part here, it's hard to get a grip of. I have to pull that right back and push. You can see what I'm doing there. You push up, then you can let that white plastic go, but don't let it spring off, just hold it until it slides forward. And that's that piece off. Oh, baby's still in the chamber. Right, your bar at the top, well, bottom shall I say. Move your spring plunge a bit. Now you get a tool that's in the box. I think these are for the mags to undo the valves, because it says on it valve. But this piece, smallest piece, you can use in here to open this up, but you will scratch this area, but you can use that to undo it. But what I have here is like a triangle, and this one is a TA27. And just put it in and unscrew that. Just enough until you can do it by hand would be grand. There's your guide rod. Right, this will be very, very tight. Now what you do, you twist it off, but when you first try to do it, twist it back on itself again, tighten it back up, and then twist it off, twist it back, and then twist it off, and it should break whatever's holding it. See, that's it. Outer barrel. Now this is your kind of TDC hop unit kind of housing. Holds your barrel, your bucking, and the little plastic sleeve that's holding in the bucking. Right, just underneath there's a little set screw in there. Now I don't know if... no, I need a different one. So let me find that. Alright, found that one, and this would be a T6. This one's a T6. Now you unscrew this. You don't have to take it all the way out. Just enough. Feel the barrel move. There you go. And push your barrel backwards, and that's your barrel out. And this kind of, I don't know if you call it hop unit, is that what they're calling it? But there you go, that's where your hop sits. Now you can take it out. It's slightly difficult to get the hop rubber out, but your barrel will just slide out if you just pull. Now that's them bits. I'll just shove them aside for a second. Now for your upper nozzle and piston, there's a screw, flathead screw just at the top here, so that's not the one. Find the one, here we go. Flathead, just a normal flathead will do you, as long as it's not too big fitting. Now this will be Loctite at first, so just be careful and don't strip it. You can just pop that sight off. And this will just slide out. Mind your spring on the top. Just tip that so your spring comes out there. Nozzle, pull it forward. That just comes out. And then you can just pry this apart gently. See, it's very flimsy. And out comes your nozzle, and that's that. Now reassemble it. Right, nozzle. Find your back piece there, goes in this slot down there, and just pushed out kind of gently, pull apart, it's sliding into the grooves, push that forward. This piece, see the holes on top for your sight to screw into, hole on the bottom, push that in, that's that together. Your spring, pop your spring in, get your upper. Make sure the spring's staying down at the front because you don't want it jamming up like that. See, Gently put that in. Don't push it all the way forward. As you can see at the back, just smoothly line up. Now get your sight. Let's pop the screw up a bit. Pop the sight on. Flathead. Now I would suggest putting some more Loctite on this screw, just a tad, after you've done the work, but I have more stuff to do on this, so I won't be putting Loctite on just yet. Right, next step, let's put this aside a second, bring these back in. Hot chamber housing from the back. It's like you find square, you find where the square is, pop it in, line that up. Check down this way because there is a slight movement in this barrel. So even though you can set the set screw in, this could be twisted just off to one side, so check. Down the barrel, make sure the unit is centered and the barrel's centered. Have to check the light. As soon as you've got it centered, place your finger just here. Keep it centered. Swap to your torque 6. Now you will feel a push up on the barrel. Feel the push up and just go one more little bit and it should stay. You don't want it pushed up too much. Let's give it another check that it's centered. Centered. Right. Next step, your washer and the metal washer. There's a little groove on the black washer. You can see it there. Sits down onto this rounded area here. Make sure it's right. Actually, I should have put the barrel on, but it's not a biggie. Now, on here as well, this white piece, there's a flat edge that'll go on to the top of the barrel. There we go, the barrel's on tight there. Now you just get your diamond head again. Triangle head, sorry, not diamond head. Just give that a torque there. That's that bit on there. Now putting this back on. And remember, don't forget your knob. You just pop this knob in. And there, it's sitting flat. Barrel. There we go. Just line that up there with that screw hole. Let's back screw in. Hold that there. Now you can put the plate on now and tighten in your set screw for the hop adjustment. But we will put the other part of the slide on. Alright, you groove in here for this, pull this back. Back as far as you can, it's a bit awkward. Push that down. You can see what I'm doing there. Push that down. Just let it go. That's in there. Just like that. Cover there. Torx 8. No need to do them up really tight. Now you can put your adjustment down again of this. I think I had it on 10 turns. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do a little bit more because that has to be set again anyway. Now your lower, your upper, back together. Push down that little clip at the back. And go find the little groove. That's that. That's it disassembled, reassembled again. Simple as that.